Water's essential. I mean, water availability, but particularly when we get that water, we want to make sure it gets on our crops on time to give us the best possible yield.
Water's the lifeline of all rural centres. New products like this that come along, like the fish screens, they enable us to be environmentally responsible, to give back, to ensure that what we're doing is going to be sustainable going into the future.
Since having the screen, I'm not getting any fish at all. The debris is not there anymore in the channels, blocking pumps up on me at the other end. All that time-consuming stuff's been taken out of it.
We've got a lot more confidence now that that what we start pumping is exactly what's going to be 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours after. Although it's really hard to know exactly, well, I think we could have fuel savings around about 5% just by having a more consistent flow of water.
The economy of my pumps and everything that I'm getting now compared to what we were, chalk and cheese.
I'm getting a cleaner, better quality water delivered to my farm for irrigation.
Being able to remotely monitor things is fantastic. In the high debris period, it's every 6 hours, so if somebody's coming out in the middle of the night to do that job, I don't have to.
It spins itself. You can set how many times a day, so while I'm pumping, I've set it for 4 times a day. It cleans itself. It's very, maintenance free.
Once we started using it, it's actually exceeded my expectations.
As we farm, our end goal is making our farm profitable. But we also need to look after our rivers. That's our lifeblood. If we can look after that for future generations,